Wondering which kitchen weighing scale brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your kitchen weighing scale purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Kardex kitchen weighing scale brand faces poor quality. Second, MCP kitchen weighing scale brand grapples with customer is not satisfied. Third, Hoffen kitchen weighing scale brand encounters incorrect weighing. Fourth, the Misto kitchen weighing scale brand confronts quality issues. And fifth, Venus kitchen weighing scale brand suffers from poor quality, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended kitchen weighing scale brands, including: first one, Ozeri kitchen weighing scale; second, HealthSense kitchen weighing scale; third, Dr. Trust kitchen weighing scale; and fourth, Curaze kitchen weighing scale. Let's see the comparison. Maximum weight it can handle. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri weighing scale sets itself apart with a weight capacity of 5.1 kilograms, slightly edging out HealthSense and Dr. Trust weighing scale, which offer a capacity of 5 kilograms each. However, Curaze weighing scale takes the lead with a remarkable 10 kilograms capacity, providing ample room for heavier loads and ensuring versatility in your kitchen weighing needs. How it's operated. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Each of the 4 kitchen weighing scale brands incorporates the user-friendly touch button control option, guaranteeing effortless and intuitive operation for everyone, regardless of experience level or preference. Type of screen for readings. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. All 4 kitchen weighing scale brands feature a backlit LCD display type, providing clear and easy to read measurements in any lighting conditions. Material used for construction. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands, with the body material type being ABS plastic across all 4 kitchen weighing scale brands. You can trust in the durability and reliability of these instruments, offering peace of mind and longevity for all your kitchen weighing needs. Automatically shuts down. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Each of the 4 kitchen weighing scale brands incorporates an auto-off function, a thoughtful feature that not only enhances user convenience but also contributes to energy conservation, ensuring prolonged battery life and promoting sustainable usage. Country of manufacture. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri weighing scale is proudly manufactured in America, showcasing quality craftsmanship and adherence to rigorous standards. HealthSense weighing scale stands as a testament to Indian innovation. Dr. Trust weighing scale, also originating from America. Curaze weighing scale, crafted in China, represents the country's renowned manufacturing prowess and commitment to delivering high-quality products to global markets. Warns of excessive weight. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Each of the 4 kitchen weighing scale brands incorporates an overload indicator, a crucial safety feature designed to alert users when the weight capacity limit is exceeded, ensuring not only accurate measurements but also providing peace of mind and preventing potential damage to the scale or injury to the user. Precision of measurements. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri and HealthSense weighing scale lead the pack with their outstanding accuracy, ensuring precise measurements for all your culinary needs. Meanwhile, Dr. Trust and Curaze weighing scale follow closely behind, delivering commendable precision that guarantees reliable results in every use, making them dependable choices for your kitchen. Available deals and savings. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri weighing scale extends a remarkable discount of 50% off the MRP, making it an enticing offer for budget-conscious consumers. HealthSense weighing scale follows suit with a generous 42% discount. Dr. Trust weighing scale goes a step further, offering a substantial 57% discount. Curaze weighing scale rounds off the selection with a notable 31% discount, providing savings while maintaining competitive pricing in the market. Highly rated by users. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri weighing scale garners an impressive 56,916 ratings with a rating above 4.4 stars on Amazon. HealthSense weighing scale maintains a solid rating with 1,099 reviews. Dr. Trust weighing scale receives praise from 4,345 customers, and Curaze weighing scale earns commendation with 1,925 ratings. Standout features. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. The standout feature of Ozeri weighing scale is its easy operation. HealthSense weighing scale excels in high precision. Dr. Trust weighing scale offers easy measuring functionality, and Quraise weighing scale stands out with its tempered glass construction for enhanced durability. Areas for improvement. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri weighing scale offers excellent features. Some customers may find it on the pricier side compared to other options. Additionally, while HealthSense weighing scale provides reliable functionality, a few users have reported experiencing average service support. Similarly, both Dr. Trust and Quraise, despite their commendable attributes, might have room for improvement in terms of service quality according to some customer feedback. Durability and construction. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Ozeri, HealthSense, Dr. Trust weighing scale sets a high standard with its excellent build quality, featuring robust materials and meticulous craftsmanship that guarantee durability and longevity. Meanwhile, Quraise weighing scale also uphold respectable good construction standards. Guarantee for repairs. Let me see the comparison of each kitchen weighing scale brands. Customers can take comfort in knowing that all 4 kitchen weighing scale brands come with a comprehensive 1-year warranty, offering not only peace of mind but also the assurance of support in the unlikely event of any issues or defects. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 kitchen weighing scale brands. All 4 kitchen weighing scales offer versatility with 5 units of measurements: grams, pounds, pounds and ounces, ounces, and milliliters. Each scale operates on 2 AAA batteries, ensuring convenient power availability. They feature a low battery indicator, providing timely reminders for battery replacement. Suitable for home weighing enthusiasts, these scales facilitate precise measurements. Perfect for on the go. They allow users to weigh groceries and vegetables right at the shop. Ideal for various tasks, including measuring jewelry, goods, and packages accurately. Recognized as the top-selling kitchen weighing scale brand online, they enjoy widespread popularity. With a tare function included, these scales allow for easy subtraction of container weight. Their small, sleek design makes them easy to maintain and integrate into any kitchen. Equipped with high-precision sensors, these scales ensure accurate and consistent results. Featuring a large display, they offer clear and easy-to-read measurements for user convenience. Versatile tools. They are commonly used for home baking, health, and dietary needs. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. Ozeri kitchen weighing scale holds strong 4.5 star rating, and HealthSense kitchen weighing scale holds strong 4.5 star rating. Dr. Trust kitchen weighing scale holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and Quraise kitchen weighing scale has good 4 star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: kitchen weighing scale, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before purchasing a kitchen weighing scale, it's essential to thoroughly evaluate its maximum weight capacity, accuracy of readings, available additional features, build quality, and the warranty offered to ensure a reliable and satisfying investment. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.